Hey signers, are you learning tons of signs and ready to put them to practice? In this video, I am going to teach you ASL phrases you need to know. And don't forget about our Learn How to Sign Accelerated to take your conversational skills to a whole nother level. Now, let's learn how to sign ASL phrases. What's up? How are you? What's up? How you? What is your name? You name what you. My name is Sally. What's your name? Me name Sally. You name what you. How do you sign? And then insert the sign that you want to know. Sign. Cup? What? Do you mind writing it down? Do you mind write? Are you learning ASL? You, ASL, learn you? Yes, I am learning ASL. Yes, me, ASL, learn me. I'm so excited I'm learning ASL. Me excited, learn ASL me. Good job. Keep it up. Good job. Keep going. Where do you live? You live where you? I live in Texas. Me live Texas me. Where do you work? You work where you. Where is the bathroom? Bathroom where? The bathroom is over there. Bathroom over there. Are you hearing? You hearing you? Do you want help? You help want you? Yes, you can help me. Yes, help me. Can you go and help Bob? Help? Bob? Do you understand? You understand you? No, I don't understand. No, me, don't understand me. At the grocery store, you need to buy apples, bread, and eggs. Grocery store, buy apples, bread, eggs. Yes, can you please sign that again? Yes. Sign again, please. I'm hungry. Do you want to go to a restaurant? Me hungry. Restaurant, you want. Go, you. Thank you for signing slowly. Take care. Thank you. Sign slow. Take care. I'm tired. Good night. Me tired me. Good night. Let us know down in the comments what everyday phrases you want to learn in future phrase videos. And if you want to learn more about how to structure ASL phrases, go and watch this grammar video. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and get notified. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.